Welcome to my halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is Okonomiyaki! Yay! Have you eaten Okonomiyaki before? Almost 100% tourists coming to Japan from overseas said it was amazing. So I want to pick up the Okonomiyaki today for your new experience. Okonomiyaki is teppan dish, so we Japanese also eat it in restaurant, mostly. But nowadays, many household has electric home plate in their house. We can enjoy the okonomiyaki party at home. The key to the flavor of okonomiyaki is sauce, which add before eating. The most famous of okonomiyaki sauce is OTAFUKU brand sauce, which is long seller and best seller in Japan. However, the okonomiyaki sauce is mixed many ingredients. That means it's not halal. The OTAFUKU brand sell the special sauce for vegans. This is the one. This is no pork, no alcohol. That means this is Muslim-friendly product. If you have a sauce and you can make the okonomiyaki with my video, you can enjoy the okonomiyaki party at your home. I will give you more information about this sauce as a bonus tip, so please watch out until the end of this video. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. Ingredients for dough is flour and dashi broth. Then this is Chinese yam. Then egg and little bit soybean sauce. This Chinese yam is like this. I saw this potato in Fair Price supermarket in Clementi. So Japanese name is nagaimo. This is a long one. I think the English name is Chinese yam. The grated Chinese yam lets the dough become fluffy, so I want to put. But if you love the chewy texture, so you put grated potato instead. And dashi is a Japanese broth. As usual, okonomiyaki includes the dashi broth, but if you are lazy to make the dashi broth, you can use water. It's not so big problem. Okay, can we try to make okonomiyaki base? At first, beat the egg. At first, beat the egg and add dashi broth. Seasoned by the soy sauce. Just 2 teaspoons. Mix well. And put flour. Put once. Okay, like this. Then add Chinese yam. I love Chinese yam, so I put 2 scoop. 1 more, 3. Then mix well. Okay, this is okonomiyaki base. After that, many ingredients you can mix in this dough. Today I prepare this as mixed ingredients. This combination is my favorite. I highly recommend you. So this one cabbage, then mochi, and this one AGEDAMA, corn, then melty type cheese. If you want to know about the information about AGEDAMA, please refer to my ebi fry video. Have you eaten Japanese mochi? Like this, inside the plastic, the one-piece mochi is here. So these are sold in Japanese grocery shop. So this one can keep until 2026 October. So no need to eat at once. So you find you can buy it. Then today I wanna use the one-piece mochi to cut into the 1 cm cube like this. Then put into the okonomiyaki base. You can cut the cabbage roughly, it's okay. This direction is easy to cut. Many cabbage, right? Very healthy. But okonomiyaki is a cabbage pancake. So you can eat a lot of cabbage. Now we make all the ingredients into the dough. Cabbage, corn, my favorite, mochi, also my favorite, then AGEDAMA, then melty type cheese, like this. Can you see? Then mix well. When you mix dough from the bottom to up to contain the air into the dough. I don't have hot plate, so I use fry pan. Grease a little bit. Fire is medium heat. Please place the dough. Thickness is almost 2 cm like this. Don't press the dough, just put the dough because want to make be fluffy. Then after that, cover the pan and steam. And after 5 minutes, the bottom is solid. Okay, so can we turn over? It's the time. Okay. Then another 5 minutes again. Okay. Evaporate the excess water from the surface. Become crispy little bit. It's nice. Now fire becomes slow down, and if you use hot plate, this is the timing to taste. So have to put sauce. The regular member is OTAFUKU sauce, then mayonnaise, then katsuobushi, then aonori. These 4 kind of ingredients is regular member. Now I put the at first sauce. Put generous amount. Then after that, mayonnaise. Then katsuobushi. Katsuobushi is bonito flake. Katsuobushi enough. Okay. Then aonori. Aonori is seaweed, dried seaweed. Okonomiyaki has done already. Yay! I cut. Actually, okonomiyaki restaurant never use scissors. But I want to use. Sorry. Like this. いただきます。Dough is very fluffy. Then cabbage is very juicy. Then can you find the mochi? This one, my favorite mochi is good. Very good combination, mochi and corn. I'm very sorry, cannot to convey this nice smell. The sauce smell is very nice. Actually, Japanese okonomi means whatever you like. So, okonomiyaki is you can put anything in okonomiyaki. My favorite choice is corn, mochi, then AGEDAMA. Other mixed ingredients, for example, canned tuna and chicken sausage, and Japan has a fish sausage also, shrimp, clam, cuttlefish, like this. It's also very nice for okonomiyaki. You can put anything. Just now I told you this OTAFUKU sauce is special for vegan. So never use animal ingredients and alcohol. Look at here. And ingredient is like this. Please check it up using Google Translator. And once you open the bottle, keep it in the refrigerator. Since you have this sauce in your kitchen, you can enjoy okonomiyaki anytime. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!